Hello guys, one of my friend was working with Python for few months. Now we have completed all the basics of Python. Now he asked me what we have to do after the basics of Python. He want to learn something bigger and more. So I advised him some of the topics. Today in this video I am going to share with you what we have to do after learning the basics of Python. Without wasting any time, let me introduce myself. My name is Ravan. Welcome to my channel Be Anonymous. After searching, I have categorized into 4 groups that you should do after learning the basics of Python programming language. In the first category, we have developing other advanced skills. In that, I have the deep understanding of Python data structures, which consist of strings, list, tuple, numpy arrays. In that, we have 2D arrays, 3D arrays, and many more. The next we have to do is learn advanced data structures, which consist of trees, graphs, queue data structure, stack data structure, heaps, and linked list, which consist of the single linked list, double linked list, and circular linked list. Then after, we have to know the analysis of algorithm. If you got solution to any problem, any solution you get, it may works for some conditions. It may not work when we give a large amount of input to it. So, considering the time complexity, space complexity, we should analyze the algorithm and maintain special cases and work on this algorithm. So you have to know about the big O analysis, learn the common trees like you can do the binary tree or complete tree like that, and you need to know some of the sorting algorithms like a bucket algorithm, the bubble algorithm, selection sort, insertion sort, and many more. Also you learn about the radix and count sort too. Then you need to know a one data structure, that is the SQL data structure, which I prefer. Then after, when I come to the Python, the main important point is object oriented programming. When I say object oriented, the first thing comes into our mind is the classes. Yes, you deal with your classes. Why we choose the object oriented means we can develop our program much better, and as we are dealing with an objects, it makes our project more beautiful and comfortable to use. So in object oriented we have classes, inheritance, and design patterns, and many more. In the second category we have the developing of programming skills and coding skills. When I say this, most of you guys are preparing for many competition exams like TCS and many more. So you have to develop your programming skills or problem solving skills to compete with others. So for that, most of the websites are available in the internet for free, but I prefer some of the websites which are cool and make your growth much faster. They are the HackerRank, CodeWars, CodeChef, and the Top Coders. In the third category, we have the people who are going to choose the Python as their career. To choose Python as career, you can do many things. Some of the important things are web development. In the web development, you need to learn a Django and Flask, which are the famous frameworks available in Python. And to relate to this, you also need to learn JavaScript for the front end part. The next thing you can do is data analysis and visualization. For that, you need to learn NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and related to this, you need also to learn about the R language. And the third one most of the guys prefer is the machine learning and artificial intelligence. For that, you need again to learn the NumPy and Pandas. Along with it, you also need TensorFlow, Keras, and Scikit-learn and Thenos, which are the popular frameworks available for machine learning in Python programming. In the fourth category, we have the people who are wanted to do a good projects. For them, they can do a search engine, they can be a data miner, or they can contribute an open source projects to the people. These are the 4 categories you can choose after doing the basics of Python programming. So hope you like this. Also you can do many more. If you know the basics, you can teach the other learners or the other beginners, those who want to learn the Python. These are the main things that you should do. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button for more such videos like this, and support us by growing our channel by subscribing and sharing with your friends.